Just finishing up. So whoever's watching, if you want, comment down below if you have the ability to do that. I don't know. Yes. But this is the end of my live of the junket. I think I'm in 30 minutes. I'm just finishing up now. So those who watched, thank you for watching. I don't get much viewers, and I hope you guys left a like. But if one of you actually play the drums, I need some help tuning my toms. So if you see this live, comment, or on one of my videos on my channel, comment how to tune my toms, rectone, I think it's called. I don't know, but my tom. And if these cymbals sound okay. They don't really sound good, they like ring. But anyways, I'm just finally done. Leave a like if you like you're playing the junket. Comment down below also if you want to change symbols and skin. I see there's one person watching and he just left. I every time I keep explaining this, person comes on and then I go to address them and I see there's one person watching there, and so if you want me to play something real quick, I can. Don't know how much time we got. I don't know if the live chat. The live chat is on, and they just left. The live chat is on. If you want me to play real quick, put a thumbs up. I know you're watching. I can see you. And it just left. It's like, ooh, yeah, just me. I'm leaving. Anyways, drummers don't get a lot though. And if you're looking at my shirt and wondering why am I wearing this, I want to become a cop when I grow up. And that's just about me. Keep talking about the same thing over and over because people keep joining. I'm gonna just go ahead and finish up because there's nothing else to do. And whenever I go to address somebody, like right now who's watching, they leave. So if you want me to play something before you leave, comment down below, play something, or leave a like. And they just left, so I'm gonna just end it now.